Hi everyone, let's go through one more challenging question on area and perimeter. And this question is from a past PSLE paper. So hopefully after going through this, you actually have an idea on what type of questions will come up for PSLE. Alright, Devi has the square of paper of side 23 cm. Okay, so over here each side is 23 cm. Alright, so she cut along the dotted lines shown in this figure. Okay, to get one small square, alright, of area 49 cm square and 8 identical right angle triangles. Alright, in other words, after cutting along these dotted lines, she will have one small square over here and 8 identical right angle triangles. Okay, let's count how did she get 8? Right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Then the question says that triangle PQR in figure 2, right, is one such triangle. Okay, in other words, if you take out one triangle and paste it over here, right, these two triangles will be exactly the same. Alright, and the question asks us to find a length of PQ, which is this length over here. Alright, so how do we find this length over here? Alright, the first step, right, is to actually square root the 49. Okay, to find out what is the length of this small square over here. Right, so square 49 you get 7 cm. Okay, so this length is 7 cm. And now, can we find this length and this length over here? We can, right? Because these two lengths are the same. So we take 23 minus 7 and the answer divided by 2. Alright, so this will be 8 cm and this will also be 8 cm. Okay, so the PR is 8 cm. Alright, so in other words, these two are 8 cm. Okay, so now what do we do next? Okay, we can now find the area of this triangle. Make sense? Right, because we know what is RQ. Right, RQ will be equal to 7 plus 8. Okay, which is 15 cm. Can you see? Right, this is 15 cm and this is 8 cm. Alright, so now can we find the area of this triangle? Okay, we can, right? We simply take half times base times height. So half times 8 times 15, you get 60. Right, in other words, this triangle over here is 60 cm square. Okay, so this is 60, this is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. Right, and the small square over here is 49 cm square. So can we find the area of this square over here? We can, right? We simply take 4 times 60, right, because there are 4 triangles, then plus 49, which is the small square in the middle, you get 289. Okay, so this will be the area of this square over here. Let's label this ABCD. And now to find this length over here, you simply have to square root this area over here. Alright, so when you press calculator, if you square root the 289, you get 17 cm. And that will be exactly the length of PQ.